Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last week we finished running our 2-week face-to-face teaching lexically course here in London. And last Monday, which was the second week of the course, the beginning of the second week of the course, we had this kind of standard conversation where we were just asking about what everybody had got up to over the weekend, whether people had been away anywhere or not. Quite a few people had just stayed in London and had spent the weekend sightseeing. Some people had gone on day trips to Brighton, to Cambridge, to Oxford. A couple of people had even been up to Scotland. And one student suddenly told everyone that she had actually been to Amsterdam for the weekend and had only just got back at like 7 o'clock that morning. She'd just decided to go there on a whim on Saturday morning. If you decide to do something or you do something on a whim, you do it because you have this sudden, spontaneous desire to do something. It's not really something that you've thought about before or planned out, and maybe it looks a bit irrational or a bit illogical. It's just something you suddenly feel that you have to do. So, maybe if you have a little sailing boat, you might suddenly decide on a whim to sail across the channel to France or to sail down to Portugal. Maybe if you've been having low-level dissatisfaction with your job, you might suddenly just decide one day to quit your job on a whim. Perhaps you're in a bookshop and you're browsing around and suddenly the cover of a book catches your eye and you buy it on a whim without really knowing anything about the content or about the author or anything like that. And now that we've got a new government in place here in the UK, it's quite refreshing to watch government policy being decided carefully and rationally and being discussed beforehand and watching experts being involved in the creation of government policy. Because under our last government, a lot of government policy basically just seems to be decided on a whim. It was decided on the spur of the moment, depending on how whoever the Prime Minister of the day was at that point felt in the morning when they woke up. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on a whim.